Hi guys, Greg here from Complete Game Physical Therapy, located here in Lowell, Massachusetts. Today I want to talk about stretching, and I'm often asked about stretching here at Complete Game, and what stretches to do for a certain condition, be it back pain, knee pain, hip pain, or I'm often asked why the stretches that someone's doing aren't working. Before we get into specific stretches to do, I think it's important that we talk about why someone might be feeling tight. One reason why someone might feel tightness in a muscle is because the muscle is actually shortened. And this, for example, is someone who sits at a desk for 8 hours a day and their hamstrings are in a shortened position. That muscle is going to become tight. And that's a situation where stretching is helpful. Doing a hamstring stretch 3 times, 30-second hold is helpful. And doing it throughout the day is very important. So, you're not going to offset 8 hours of sitting with one round of stretching. You're going to have to kind of do it throughout the day to keep those muscles loose. The other reason why somebody might feel tight is because their joints are actually lax or too loose. This can happen from a congenital sort of laxity, where somebody is just congenitally loose in joints throughout their body. And what will happen is the muscles around those joints will tighten up. In that situation, you don't want to be stretching muscles because that's actually going to cause the joints to become less stable if you do increase the tension on those muscles, the length on those muscles, or you're not going to really get any progress with stretching because the body's going to keep fighting you to keep those muscles tight to protect itself. In that situation, you want to do more strengthening. So it's important that you get checked out. A lot of times I'm asked those questions and it's a hard question to answer without really assessing somebody and finding out why those muscles are tight. So that was the tip for today, is to kind of give you an idea of why we stretch and some tips on why the muscles might be feeling tight. And tune in next week for some more tips. In the meantime, check us out: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we'll see you next week.